Spot settings. In the Spot Settings pop-up, you will select the navigation mode most suitable for this specific spot, as well as the radius that will trigger location alerts. Selecting a navigation mode optimizes the navigation experience for the user. So if you expect most people to drive to this spot, select Car. If this is a popular stop for hikers, select Foot. If visitors generally drive around your site, but need to park nearby to get to this particular spot, you should select Car. The navigation will account for areas that are inaccessible to drivers. Of course, people will still be able to follow the navigation using different modes of transport, for example walking, or on a bike to a spot that you mark as Car. It just means that the navigation will lead them on a route suitable for driving. Visitors in the vicinity of a spot will receive an alert, letting them know what is nearby. Use the slider to determine how close they need to be in order to receive the alert. Tip: if your main goal is to capture the attention of passers-by, or if the site is best viewed at a distance, select a wider radius. If your main goal is to inform and engage people already at the spot, a smaller radius may work better. If you want to do both things, you can create two spots, one at the spot itself, and second, at the approach or overlook.